Hey guys, welcome to TechWit, and in this video I'm going to review the BSNL FTTH 100 Mbps plan. Without any further ado, let's dive in, shall we? This is what my fiber modem looks like, and this is my router, which is Xiaomi R3P Pro. By the way, I'm from Mysore, Karnataka. As you can see, the download is above 90 Mbps. And my upload speed is around 50 Mbps, and there is some issue in my line and it will get sorted soon. It is confirmed by the BSNL team. Let's choose the New Delhi server. And here is the Singapore server. And let's choose the New York server. Let me also test my speed using the fast.com, which is powered by Netflix. Let us test using the Google Fiber Speedtest tool, and it is from Kansas City. I'm going to upload 3 GB file to Google Drive, and it took over 7 minutes 48 seconds. And I'm going to download the file that I just uploaded. And it took over 5 minutes 4 seconds. Let us play the YouTube 4K video to give you a better idea. And I'm able to stream 2 4K videos simultaneously without capping my bandwidth, and it just works fine. Now I'm going to show you my bills, and you can check out your bill using selfcare.bsnl.co.in. And this is my monthly bill, which is 1600 rupees, which includes 1277, which is my base plan, plus 100 rupees for the fiber modem rentals, and plus 18% GST, which comes total at 1600 rupees. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to TechWit channel for more videos.